For your ingredients, get 3 chicken breasts. Grab your black pepper, Cajun seasoning, Cayenne seasoning, lemon pepper seasoning, garlic powder, paprika, thyme, Italian seasoning, salt, pesto sauce, whole mozzarella cheese, pretzel bread buns. Grab your black pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Grab your Cajun seasoning. Add 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Grab your cayenne pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper. Grab your garlic powder. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. Grab your paprika. Add 1 tablespoon of paprika. Grab your rosemary. Add 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Grab your thyme. Add 1 tablespoon of thyme. Grab your Italian seasoning. Add 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Grab your lemon pepper. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper. Mix your ingredients together. Grab your chicken. Lightly coat your chicken with oil. Now coat the other side with oil. Sprinkle your season on your chicken pieces and rub it in. Now flip it over and repeat the previous step. Preheat oven on 350 degrees. Put it in the oven and bake for 35 minutes at 350 degrees. Click subscribe, like, share, and turn on notifications. Your chicken should be cooked all the through, no pink in the middle. Grab your pesto sauce. Add your pesto sauce on top of your chicken on one side. Subscribe and like. Grab your mozzarella cheese. Add your cheese on top of the pesto. Put it in the oven until the cheese melts. Start toasting your buns. Add mayo to your buns. Subscribe, like, comment, and share.